Hello, hello. Let's do a review about jobs. Who do you see? Who do you see? Look, look, look. I see a teacher. I see a teacher. A teacher. Where does the teacher work? ¿En dónde trabaja la profesora? Where does the teacher work? She works in school. She works in school. School. She works in the Anglo-Americano school. Who do you see? Who do you see? I see a doctor. I see a doctor. Where does the doctor work? Where does the doctor work? The doctor works in a hospital. The doctor works in a hospital. Who do you see? Who do you see? I see a dentist. I see a dentist. Where does the dentist work? Where does the dentist work? The dentist works in a dental clinic. The dentist works in a dental clinic. Dental clinic. Who do you see? Who do you see? I see a pilot. I see a pilot. Where does the pilot work? Where does the pilot work? The pilot works in an airport. Airport. The pilot works in an airport. Airport. Who do you see? Who do you see? I see a fireman. I see a fireman. Where does the fireman work? Where does the fireman work? The fireman works in a fire station. The fireman works in a fire station. Fire station. Who do you see? Who do you see? I see ships. I see ships. Where do the ships work? Where do the ships work? The ships work in a restaurant. Restaurant. The chefs work in a restaurant. Who do you see? Who do you see? I see policemen. I see policemen. Where do the policemen work? Where do the policemen work? They work in a police station. The policemen work in a police station. Police station. Who do you see? Who do you see? I see a veterinary. I see a veterinary. Where does the veterinary work? Where does the veterinary work? The veterinary works in a veterinary clinic. The veterinary works in the veterinary clinic. So, the veterinary works in a veterinary clinic. The policemen work in a police station. The chefs work in a restaurant. The chefs work in a restaurant. The fireman works in a fire station. The pilot works in an airport. 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 The pilot works in an airport. The dentist works in a dental clinic. Dental clinic. The dentist works in a dental clinic. Who works in the hospital? Who works in the hospital? The doctor. A doctor works in a hospital. A doctor works in a hospital. And where do I work? Where do I work? In a school. I am a teacher. I work in a school. I am a teacher. I work in a school. I work in the Anglo-Americano school. So these are some jobs and the places where we work. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. And I work in a school. That's everything about jobs. Bye.